Hi, this is the second lecture for week 2, and we're talking about assignment 2.2, which is file management. And just to cover the instructions real quickly, we're going to learn more about files and folders here, and you can click that link in order, which would take you to gcflearnfree.org. It's a really cool website, and it's all free. And we're going to go take through file basics. What is a file? What's a folder? File Explorer. If you know this stuff, then you don't have to do this. But for those of you that need a little brushing up or it's something sort of new, I encourage you to spend a little bit of time and just look through this. Now, the other thing about GCF Learn Free, because you're going to be using that a lot this quarter, is let me show you here. They have tutorials. This is for Word 2013. You can go to all topics and check out Word 2013. And buying Office, working with your Microsoft OneDrive and account in OneDrive, understanding 365, and it goes on down. And I click this one, headers, footers, and page numbers. And it lasts 4 minutes and 55 seconds. And it tells you a little bit of what they're going to do. And then here is a challenge for you to test it, and they work you through things that goes through it. Shapes, arranging objects, finalizing, protecting documents, styles, graphics, smart art graphics, and customizing your ribbon. And they just have a ton of information about Word. And if you go to all topics, computers, internet, Macs, online safety for kids, Windows, technology basics here, using the cloud. You'll hear a lot about the cloud. This is probably at some point you should check into. If people are talking about Snapchat or Skype and you have no clue what they're talking about, you may want to check out this. Different versions of Office, Microsoft Office, Everyday Life, Math. So algebra topics, percents, decimals, fractions, multiplication. So if you have kids that are having trouble, this may be a good way for them. Or if you're a little, rusty is the word I was trying to think about. Working career and this type of things. And this is all free. Okay, so it's really a cool site. But let's get back to us. So please scroll down. I've had a couple of students in the past that tell me that they missed assignments because for some reason they didn't think and they didn't scroll down. And so when I said you need to scroll down, they went, oh yeah, okay, forgot to do that. Of course, they were able to still submit, but so let's scroll down. What you're going to do, the following tasks for this assignment, detailed steps and instructions, is create a new folder, download a zip folder. It's below. The folder you're going to download is down here. In step 1, you're going to put the zip folder in this folder. And when you go to the zip folder that you downloaded here, you're going to get the files from it. And you're going to reveal the extensions, and then there's tasks that you need to do with the files. And then you're going to move the files into a system of folders that you create, compress your folder with all the folders and files in it, and submit your zip folder to the assignment. So you're going to submit the zip folder here. And then view the rubric below. We're going to go over that. Chromebook users, if at any time in this course you have trouble with your Chromebook and completing the assignments in this course, you need to talk to me because I'm working on trying to figure out how we can use Chromebooks and still do the assignments that's required. One of the things I'm checking out is Google Docs. There's Google Docs for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So talk to me and see where I'm at in that. So as we set up above, create a new folder. There's how do you do it? Here's the folder you have to download. There it is. And you just read through here and do step by step what you need to do. If you have questions, make sure you contact me. Now, before you ever submit anything to me, grade yourself. And that's what a rubric is. Folder names, files uncompressed, text, which is Word files deleted, which means file saved as a PDF, PPSX, files organized in folders. So grade yourself. Did you do this? Did you do all the steps you need to do? This assignment's worth 30 points. So this is it for this one. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and do the next one. Maybe it won't be too long. Some of this you're going to have to put up with me just trying to figure out what's too long, what's too short. All right, 2.3 WebQuest. What keywords give you the best chance for success when using a search engine, and how do you group terms to be the most successful? This assignment will help you practice. You're going to watch a video, open Word, and add text, and then complete the search. So here's the video that you're going to watch. You're going to do questions, search terms, answers, URLs, complete the search, and then enhance your document any way you see fit, using at least 3 different techniques. You can use different fonts, create a number list, include pictures, add word art. If you noticed, if you remember when I was showing you under Office, under Word 2013 in the GCFL, it had word art. So if you want to do that, if you want to learn it, let me know. And if you can't find it here in the GCFL, then I'll help you find it. And again, here's your rubric. Make sure you grade yourself. And then we're back to the next module. Okay. Make sure, oh, one thing I wanted to talk to you about is the syllabus. I want to show you something, and then I'll let you go. One thing that you need to understand that your assignments, that includes discussions, are 60% of your grade. Oh, no, it doesn't here. They changed it a little bit. Your assignments in this class is 60% of your grade. Your discussions are 20%. So that's 80%. If you don't do your discussions all the way, you're only going to get a part of this 20%. Quizzes are 10% of your grade. Now remember, you can take your quizzes twice. You can use your book, but once you start it, you got to stop it. You can't pause it. Okay? And then it gives you the highest score. And then your final project is 10%. And you start working on your final project week 4. So week 3. So they baby step you into this project, and it's worth 10% of your grade. So think about this when you're deciding on what you're going to, if you have to skip something or not. If you can't submit an assignment, email me, let me know, and let's see if we can work something out. All right. Take care. Have a good week. Make sure you email me if you have questions. Bye-bye.